Good morning, class. Today I will explain the chapter Proposal, chapter 11, book First Flight, line wise explanation. Characters of this chapter: Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov, a landowner; Natalia Stepanova, his daughter, 25 years old; Ivan Vaslovich Lomov, a neighbor of Chubukov, a large and hearty but very suspicious landowner. A drawing room in Chubukov's house. The first scene that take place in the house of Chubukov. Lomov enters wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubukov rises to meet him. Lomov, who is the rich farmer and neighbor of Chubukov, he comes to the house of Chubukov and he was in good dress, wearing a jacket and white gloves, and Chubukov stands up to welcome him. Chubukov: my dear fellow, whom do you see? Ivan Vaslovich. I am extremely glad. Squeezes his hand. Now, this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? Lomov comes to the house of Chubukov and he is in new dress. So Chubukov is very happy. He rubs his hands and he welcomes Chubukov with a great surprise because he does not come generally to the house of Chubukov. First time he was watching Lomov in his house. Lomov: thank you, and how may you be getting on? Lomov asks thanks for welcome, and then he asks another question to Chubukov ki how is he getting on now? Chubukov: we just get along somehow, my angel, thanks to your prayers and so on. Sit down, please do. Now you shouldn't forget all about neighbors. My darling, my dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get-up? Evening dress, gloves, and so on. Can you be anywhere, my treasure? Chubukov is a bit surprised, but he does not disclose his surprise before Lomov. He says that, my angel, I am very happy to get you at my home. He offers him to sit down, and then he said that you should remember to your neighbors, and he calls him angel and great treasure, and he asks the reason why he is in evening dress and wearing the gloves. Lomov: no, I have come only to see you, honored Stepan Stepanovich. Lomov is very formal in his talking and he does not directly disclose that he has come to propose his daughter for marriage. He talks in a roundabout way and he tells Chubukov that he has come to only visit him, only to see him. Chubukov: then why are you in evening dress, my precious, as if you are paying a New Year's evening visit? Chubukov asks a question to Lomov कि if he has come only a journal visit to his house, why he is in evening dress? Why he is so much prepared? Lomov: well, you see, it's like this. Takes his arms. I have come to you, honored Stepanovich, to trouble you with a request. Not once or twice, I have already had a privilege. Privilege means special right of applying to you for help, and you have always, so to speak, I must ask your pardon. I am getting excited. I shall drink some water, honored Stepanovich. Lomov appears a bit nervous and he takes the hand of Chubukov in his hand, and he said that he has come here because he has come here to give a trouble. He has come here to make a request to him. And Lomov is looking very excited, and he says that first he says sorry for all that he is going to say. Then, due to nervousness, he said that I want to drink some glass of water. He drinks water, and then Chubukov aside, he each come to borrow money. Shan't give him any. Aloud, what is it, my beauty? Chubukov stand aside of the stage, and he suspects that he has come to borrow some money from him, and in his mind he determines that he will not give any money to him. Lomov, you see, honored Stepanovich, I beg pardon, Stepan Honorarich. I mean, I am awfully excited, as you will please notice. In short, you will alone can help me, though I don't deserve it. Of course, you haven't any right count on your assistance. Lomov is looking very nervous. He is looking very excited also. He said that he has come to Chubukov, only he can fulfill his desire, and he is talking in a very roundabout way. He is not directly saying to Chubukov that he has come to propose his daughter for the marriage. He is talking in a roundabout way. So Chubukov is a bit confused. Chubukov, oh, don't go round and round it, darling. Spit it out well. Chubukov is a bit confused. He says to Lomov that don't talk in a roundabout way, come to the point directly. Lomov, one moment, this very minute. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia Stepanova, in marriage. At last, Lomov discloses the fact to Chubukov that he has come to propose his daughter for the marriage, Natalia. Chubukov joyfully, by Jove, Ivan Veslovich, say it again. I didn't hear it at all. Chubukov is very happy to hear that he has come to propose his daughter for the marriage, because he already knows it well that his daughter also loves Lomov very much. So he says to Lomov that repeat the sentence whatever you have said. Lomov, I have the honor to ask. Chubukov interrupting, my dear fellow, I am so glad, and so on. Yes, indeed, you all that sort of thing. Embraces and kisses Lomov. I have been hoping for it for a long time. It is been my continual desire. Sheds a tear. I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son. May God give you both His help and His love, and so on, and so much hope. What am I behaving in this idiotic manner? Idiotic way for? I am off my balance with joy, absolutely off my balance. Oh, with all my soul, I'll go and call Natasha and all that. Now Chubukov is looking very happy. He calls Lomov as a precious one. He says to Lomov that he knows it well, that his daughter Natalia also loves him very much. So he is very happy to get this news that you are going to propose her for the marriage. He start kissing his hands, and then he said that he is treating like an idiot. And thereafter he informs to Lomov that he is going to inform his daughter Natalia that Lomov has come to propose her for the marriage. Lomov, greatly moved, honored Stepan Stepanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? Lomov asks to Chubukov that I have got your permission. Consent means permission for the marriage. Chubukov